Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to clone your SSD to a larger SSD. Cloning and upgrading your storage without losing any data. First, install the SSD into your computer. Then download iSunshare Clone Go to your PC. It's noted that clone SSD to another SSD will format the target drive. For safety reasons, you'd better to back up your important files before starting the cloning process. Launch Clone Go after installed and go to Backup section. Here, select the drive. And then select a path to save the backup file. You can also choose whether to shut down, restart, hibernate your PC after backup. After set, click on Start button to begin the backup process. In prompt windows, click on Yes. The backup process will be finished fast. And this backup file can be restored on any other laptops with Clone Go installed. After backup, go to Copy section. Here listed all available disks and partitions. Select the source hard drive and the target SSD. They can't be the same. If you've selected system drive to copy, you can set the target partition as the boot disk. Also, you can set your PC status, shut down, restart, or hibernate after disk clone done. And then click on Start to begin to clone. Read carefully on the tips in prompted windows, and then click on Yes. This may take some time, depending on the size of your data. Once the cloning is complete, verify that all data has been successfully transferred. Now you've successfully cloned your hard drive to an SSD. Enjoy faster performance and improved boot times. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.